This week is Mother's Day, and I want to cook for my mom and prepare a really nice dinner. So I settled on this surf and turf. I got these like really nice big cowboy ribeye steaks, about 2 inches thick, that I'm going to reverse sear and then sear in the hot cast iron skillet. And I got a bunch of lobster tails, nice and big, because my mom loves seafood, she loves lobster. So I'm going to grill those directly on the grill and basically put some butter on top of it, and it's going to be absolutely spectacular. Let me show you how to do it. Today I'm going to show you how to butterfly lobster tails. It makes for a beautiful presentation and also helps to cook the lobster more evenly and fast. Carefully use kitchen shears and start cutting from the top of the lobster shell to the base of the tail. Gently pull the halves apart and the lobster meat out, but leave it attached to the base and then place it on top of the shell. I am going to season this beautiful cowboy ribeye steak with our new FOGO charcoal seasoning. It's a killer steak rub with a perfect mix of salt, pepper and spices, and the key ingredient, activated charcoal. It gives the steak a killer look and helps to form an amazing crust. For a quick cook like today's, I'm going to use our black bag, the FOGO premium charcoal. Its medium-sized pieces work great for short smoking sessions and then heat up fast for when it's time for searing. I'm going to start off with reverse searing this thick cowboy ribeye steak so that we can get a perfect medium rare finish edge to edge. At the same time, you can roast your veggies and let them absorb all that smoke and charcoal flavor. Set your grill to low or about 225 degrees and cook the steak until it hits an internal temperature of 115 degrees. Then open the grill vents and get ready for searing. While the charcoal is starting to burn and get hot and the grill temperature is rising from 225 to 500 degrees, this is the perfect time to grill your lobster tails. The lobster does best with indirect heat, not directly over the hot fire. Cook them for about 5 minutes to 140 degrees internal temperature. Finally, once the grill is searing hot or using a lower grade closer to the charcoal, sear the steak on each side for about 2 minutes for the killer crust. All right, our Mother's Day dinner, actually practice dinner. Thank you for coming, honey.
Thank you, I love it.
It's done. So what I've done for you is a cowboy ribeye steak. We reverse seared it, and then actually we wrapped some of that new FOGO Rub on it. So look, it gives this like killer look, like it's kind of burnt. But look, it's like perfect.
Is it burnt?
Medium rare. Do you like it medium rare?
I do.
It's not burnt. Yeah, try it out. It's not burnt. Let me show you.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, look. Here, eat this.
Thanks.
It's good?
Super.
All right, let me try it.
Try it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Check this out. Really good.
I love the flavor. Very good.
Then we have lobster tail. Basically, I did it 2 different ways. These 2 were done basically reverse seared, so they were over indirect heat, and so that's why they don't have like any kind of seared lobster meat. And then this one, we did it indirect, and then just at the end, we just put it for like a minute on the hot fire so that it gets a little bit of those sear marks. So let's try those, see which one you like better. So I can see what to do for Sunday. Yeah, try.
Well, it's already a big surprise.
Yeah, try.
It's amazing.
Have this.
Have it?
There's a little bit of grilled lemon too, if you want.
Oh.
Look. Wow, I always like to grill my lemons, you know,
It's
just
really good.
just adds a lot of flavor to it. Oh, I like the one with the sear marks. You like
I like
it?
that too. I like it.
Let's
But
try
I
this.
can't wait to try this one out.
All right.
I love the flavor
Oh, it's
of
much
the lemon.
softer.
Yeah.
I think the one that's seared is a little drier. This already feels softer.
Smaller piece.
There you go. Yeah, look, this is more like ceviche, almost like very.
I think
very
I like
soft.
this one more.
Oh yeah.
I love this.
Yeah.
I love this.
Me too.
It's very good.
Right? This is nice. At
I
least
want more?
Yeah, at least we got to try it. Yeah, have it. Help yourself.
It is like kind
Yeah.
of texture like ceviche,
Very nice,
you
yeah.
know, very, very nicely cooked. It's very good. Here, you can give me some.
All right. And then we have a couple of grilled asparagus too. Always eat your vegetables. Right. That's one of your favorite vegetables, right?
It is.
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you. I want this lobster again.
I like the meat. I really like the meat. You know, I love that. Well, apart from the killer look, you know, it just looks incredible. You know, with that really dark
Yeah.
black crust, kind of looks totally burnt. But then when you kind of cut inside and it's totally medium rare, and look at the meat, like it just pulls apart, like super
So what
tender.
have you put on it? Just the rub?
Yeah, it's the FOGO Rub.
Just
Basically,
that's it? No,
it has
no more
like
salt,
activated
nothing?
charcoal and spices. It's super yummy.
Oh, I
Pretty
love
good.
this. I'm gonna finish this one.
All
Have
right,
some more.
let me cut you some more.
And what did you put in this? On the
This-
lobster?
Yeah, so this has nothing, just a little bit of butter, like absolutely no salt, nothing.
Before or after? No, after it was grilled, no?
So we put it on the grill and we put like a spoonful of butter on it, and then the butter kind of melted while it was on
And
the
that's
grill.
it?
And that's it. Yeah, nothing
That's
else.
awesome.
Just the smoke from the FOGO charcoal and a little bit of butter.
Yeah, you can
and
taste it.
And that lobster, you know, the natural lobster flavor.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm very happy you like it. I'm gonna eat your piece.
No, no, it's mine. This is mine then.
Now you want some more? All right, I think.
So you know what you're doing for Mother's Day?
Yeah, I think I nailed it down. So thank you so much for being my guinea pig today
I love
and
it.
coming to the FOGO test kitchen. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. I think we've got it nailed down. My beautiful wife, she's very happy with everything. So this is the way to go. I hope you guys try it out. And if you do, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, see you again next week. Bye.